Number 10. Siliguri. Located in the northern part of West Bengal, India, is a bustling city often referred to as the gateway to the northeast. It serves as a vital transit point for travelers heading to popular destinations like Darjeeling, Sikkim, Bhutan, and the northeastern states. This vibrant city boasts a pleasant climate and a fusion of diverse cultures. For travelers, Siliguri offers a variety of experiences, from exploring local markets and savoring regional cuisine to visiting tea estates and witnessing the stunning views of the Himalayan range. The Mahananda Wildlife Sanctuary, located nearby, provides an opportunity to observe unique flora and fauna. Travelers can also take a leisurely stroll along the picturesque Mahananda River and visit the Kali Mandir, a famous Hindu temple. Adventure enthusiasts can indulge in activities like river rafting on the Teesta River. With its strategic location, vibrant ambience, and proximity to numerous attractions, Siliguri serves as an excellent base for exploring the enchanting beauty of the eastern Himalayas and the northeastern regions of India.
Number 9. Cooch Behar, a charming city in the northern part of West Bengal, India, holds significant historical and cultural importance. It was once the seat of the princely state of Cooch Behar and is now a popular destination for travelers seeking to explore its rich heritage. The prime attraction of Cooch Behar is the magnificent Cooch Behar Palace, a marvel of classical architecture. The palace boasts intricate carvings, elegant domes, and stunning gardens. Visitors can also explore the nearby Madan Mohan Temple, known for its exquisite terracotta artwork. Travelers can immerse themselves in the local culture by attending traditional festivals like the Rash Mela and Basantotsav. Cooch Behar also offers the chance to witness unique folk dances and music performances. Nature enthusiasts can visit the Buksa Tiger Reserve and Jaldapura National Park, home to diverse flora and fauna, including the rare one-horned rhinoceros. With its royal heritage, architectural marvels, and natural beauty, Cooch Behar provides a delightful and enriching experience for travelers seeking a glimpse into West Bengal's rich history and cultural heritage.
Number 8. Bishnupur, located in the Bankura district of West Bengal, India, is a historically significant town renowned for its exquisite terracotta temples and traditional art and crafts. It offers a unique and immersive experience for travelers seeking a glimpse into the region's rich history and cultural heritage. The town is famous for its elaborately designed terracotta temples that showcase intricate carvings depicting scenes from Indian mythology and daily life. The most prominent temples include the Rasmancha, Jorbangla Temple, and Madnamohan Temple. These architectural marvels attract history enthusiasts and art lovers alike. Bishnupur is also renowned for its traditional Balashari saris, known for their intricate weaving and depiction of mythological stories. Travelers can explore local craft markets to buy these beautiful saris as souvenirs. Besides its artistic heritage, Bishnupur offers a serene and laid-back ambience, ideal for a relaxing getaway. The town's tranquil atmosphere, coupled with its architectural wonders, make it a hidden gem and a must-visit destination for travelers interested in history, art, and cultural exploration.
Number 7. Murshidabad, situated on the banks of the Ganges River in West Bengal, India, is a historically significant city known for its royal heritage and architectural wonders. Once the capital of Bengal during the Nawab era, Murshidabad is a treasure trove of historical landmarks and cultural heritage. The iconic Hazarduri Palace, also known as the Palace of 1,000 Doors, is the prime attraction of Murshidabad. This grand palace showcases a fusion of European and Indian architectural styles and houses an impressive collection of artifacts and antique items. The Nizam-ad-Imambara, a massive structure with intricate designs, is another must-visit site, and it hosts vibrant religious and cultural events during festivals. Murshidabad also boasts other historical sites like Katra Mosque, Nazapur Palace, and the Katgola Palace, each offering unique insights into the region's royal past. For history enthusiasts and culture seekers, Murshidabad offers an enriching experience, providing a glimpse into the glorious days of Bengal's history and the opulent lifestyle of its rulers.
Number 6. Shantiniketan, located in Birbhum district of West Bengal, India, is a serene and culturally rich town renowned for its association with Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. Founded by Tagore himself, Shantiniketan translates to abode of peace, and it truly lives up to its name. The town is home to Vyavabharati University, established by Tagore as an experimental educational institution with an emphasis on the integration of nature, culture, and education. Travelers can explore the university campus, which beautifully blends architecture, art, and nature. Shantiniketan is deeply rooted in Bengali culture and traditions. It hosts colorful and joyous celebrations of festivals like Paush Mela and Basantotsav, Holi, where students and locals come together to showcase their artistic talents through music, dance, and poetry recitals. The Amar Kutir, a cooperative society, is an excellent place to buy traditional handicrafts and souvenirs made by local artisans. With its tranquil surroundings, artistic ambience, and cultural significance, Shantiniketan offers a rejuvenating experience for tourists seeking to immerse themselves in the essence of Bengal's artistic and intellectual heritage.
Number 5. Kalimpong, a picturesque hill station in the Darjeeling district of West Bengal, India, is a captivating destination that offers breathtaking views of the eastern Himalayas and a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Nestled at an elevation of around 1,250 meters, Kalimpong boasts pleasant weather throughout the year, making it an ideal place to visit in any season. The town is famous for its flower nurseries, producing exotic orchids and other beautiful blooms. Visitors can explore the famous Durban Monastery and Zang Dok Palri Phodang, Ganti Monastery, both offering serene settings and stunning views of the surrounding hills and valleys. Kalimpong's bustling marketplaces are perfect for buying traditional handicrafts, woolens, and local products. For nature lovers, Diolo Hill and Hanuman Talk are must-visit spots that provide panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. With its charm, natural beauty, and cultural diversity, Kalimpong is an enchanting destination for tourists seeking tranquility, panoramic vistas, and a glimpse of the Himalayan way of life.
Number 4. Dingha and Mandarmani are two popular coastal destinations in West Bengal, India, offering distinct beach experiences for tourists. Dingha, often referred to as the Brighton of the East, is one of the most visited seaside towns in West Bengal. The Dingha beach offers a refreshing respite with its sandy shores and calm waters. Visitors can enjoy beach activities like swimming and beachcombing, and witness stunning sunrises and sunsets by the sea. The Marine Aquarium and Research Center is another attraction showcasing diverse marine life. Mandarmani, located further east from Dingha, is a relatively quieter and less crowded beach destination. Known for its long stretch of pristine shoreline, Mandarmani is perfect for leisurely strolls and relaxation. The beach's unique feature is its drive-in accessibility, allowing tourists to drive along the coast. Adventure enthusiasts can also indulge in water sports like jet skiing and parasailing. Both Dingha and Mandarmani offer opportunities for seaside fun, making them popular choices for tourists seeking coastal experiences in West Bengal.
Number 3. Sundarbans National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a magnificent and unique wilderness located in the delta region of the Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers in India and Bangladesh. It is one of the largest mangrove forests in the world and a critical ecosystem that supports diverse flora and fauna. For tourists, Sundarbans offers an unforgettable adventure in the lap of nature. The dense mangrove forests are home to the majestic Royal Bengal tiger, making it a prime destination for wildlife enthusiasts. However, spotting tigers can be challenging due to their elusive nature. Tourists can explore the intricate network of waterways on boat safaris, where they have the chance to spot other wildlife species like spotted deer, crocodiles, and various bird species. The unique feature of the Sundarbans is its association with the mythical Bengal tiger and its adaptation to a watery environment. The serene surroundings, thrilling wildlife encounters, and the opportunity to witness nature at its best make Sundarbans a must-visit destination for adventurous travelers and nature lovers.
Number 2. Darjeeling, often referred to as the Queen of the Hills, is a mesmerizing hill station in the Indian state of West Bengal. Situated at an altitude of around 2,000 meters, Darjeeling offers breathtaking views of the eastern Himalayas, including the world-famous Kanchenjunga, the third highest mountain in the world. Tourists flock to Darjeeling for its pleasant climate, lush green landscapes, and charming colonial-era architecture. The town's iconic attraction is the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, a UNESCO World Heritage-listed narrow-gauge toy train that winds its way through the picturesque hills and tea gardens, offering a nostalgic journey. Travelers can visit the Tiger Hill viewpoint to witness stunning sunrise vistas over the snow-capped peaks. The Padmajanayadu Himalayan Zoological Park is renowned for its successful breeding of endangered species like the snow leopard and red panda. Darjeeling is famous for its tea plantations, and tourists can take guided tours to learn about tea processing and sample some of the finest teas in the world. With its natural beauty, cultural diversity, and a sense of tranquility, Darjeeling is a popular destination for tourists seeking a serene and rejuvenating escape in the lap of the Himalayas.
Number 1. Kolkata, the vibrant capital city of West Bengal, India, is a fascinating blend of rich history, cultural diversity, and modernity. Formerly known as Calcutta, the city has a unique charm that captivates tourists from all over the world. Kolkata is famous for its colonial architecture, evident in landmarks like the majestic Victoria Memorial and the iconic Howrah Bridge. The city's bustling markets, such as New Market and College Street, offer a delightful shopping experience. A visit to Kolkata is incomplete without exploring its cultural heritage. The Kalighat Kali Temple and Dakshineshwar Kali Temple are significant religious sites, while the Indian Museum showcases a vast collection of artifacts and art pieces. Kolkata is known for its literary and artistic contributions, with places like Shantiniketan and Rabindra Sadan paying homage to the works of Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. Food enthusiasts can savor the delectable Bengali cuisine, especially famous for its sweets like rasgulla and sandesh. With its bustling streets, warm hospitality, and rich cultural tapestry, Kolkata offers a captivating and enriching experience for tourists seeking to immerse themselves in the soul of Bengal.
Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon. Press the like button and share.